Clean eating for weight loss for beginners. Being a clean eater requires you to become both educated and smart about what healthy eating actually is. And being food smart isn't about learning to calculate grams or fat, or is it about studying labels and counting calories? Clean eating is basically all about balanced and moderate eating, consisting of healthy meals at least 3 times per day. Clean eaters eat many different types of foods, not limiting themselves to one specific food type or food group. Eating healthy requires quite a bit of leeway. You might eat too much or not enough, consume foods that are sometimes more or less nutritious. However, you should always fuel your body and your brain regularly with enough food to keep both your mind and body strong and alert. A clean eater is a good problem solver. Healthy eaters have learned to take care of themselves and their eating with sound judgment and making wise decisions. Healthy eaters are always aware of what they eat, and know the effect that it will have on their bodies. When someone is unable to take control of their eating, they are also likely to get out of control with other aspects of life as well. They could end up spending too much, talking too much, even going to bed later and later. For more information on topics like this and how to eat clean for weight loss, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. You should always remember that restricting food in any way is always a bad thing. Clean eating is a way of life, something that you can do to enhance your body or your lifestyle. If you've thought about making your life better, healthy eating is just the place to start. You'll make life easier for yourself, those around you, and even your family. Did you like our video? Please let us know and share with your friends that might like it. Thank you for watching.